enjoyable session by Mr. Krishnan Srinivas, who is the Regional Managing Director of South Asia at Crown Worldwide. It's time that we ask him a few more questions to pick a little more from him. So, as a part of Avan 25-year completion and the Varta guest lecture series that Sir came as a part of, we have three questions for him. So the first question is, as you know, we have been, your company has been right at the situations that have demanded business turnarounds, and you for yourself have been at the center stage of all of them. What do you think are few strategies or business plans, or you would say approaches that are very crucial to survive and thrive in such a situation?
Thank you. The first thing that we need to look forward to such situation is you need to look at possibilities.
Okay.
You need to look at solutions which are out of the books. You need to look for changes that are fundamental based on the current situations, not based on what somebody has done. And we need to be wary of not blaming the legacy for the problems around. There is nothing called problem, there is nothing called maturity. It's only the people who get mature. They need to come out with ideas. The difference between human beings and other species are human beings are inherently intelligent, and it is only during the time of crisis, it is only during time of downturn that the mettle of a manager or an individual is shown. So that is an opportunity everybody needs to cash in on instead of blaming the excuses and all other problems around.
Okay. So that is, I guess, the key.
Yeah,
isn't it, sir?
absolutely. And that requires that every person keeps himself or herself upskilled on a regular basis. They need to be lifelong learners. They need to be lifelong students. There's nothing called age. There is nothing called inability. It's all mindset and attitude.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, in the business that Crown is, what do you think are the key challenges that a company like Crown faces? And what do you think Crown has done better than its competitors to craft a legacy that is more than 50 years old, as we all know?
Good. A company like Crown was started by one individual, and it is still a private company. What happens when a company starts growing? There is a tendency to go public. And this is one company which has always believed in keeping itself in private hands for the simple reason that when you go public, you start misusing the funds. There is a tendency. History is full of such cases. The latest one you have seen already. So what the chairman has done is he has created a forum where talent can come and show its real strength. This is a company which believes in reinvesting in technology, believing in reinvesting in those elements that plays a part. For example, we invest a lot in people. Now, I have been in this country handling the operation for the last 7 years, and I've got such great people around who give more than their life when it comes to challenges. They don't let me know the strain that they go through because they have been given an opportunity and they try to make the best out of it. And that has been the company culture for the last 53 years that we have been in operation. And the way we turn around is we give opportunities for people, we let them express all their ideas within reasonable means. When it comes to strategic steps, we always take permission from the board. In fact, we institutionalize the concept of university in India in our industry. We had our own Crown University where we trained people who were not available for the situation that we were supposed to handle. Then we started going to the next level of upskilling managers. We give them coaching. Now, in a logistics industry, coaching is something which is unheard of. Now, and when we tasted success, we started treating that as a process which will be done for the future. So, investment in right type of people for the right level of skills is what is the secret in a business like ours.
So what I can sense is heuristic driven approach and being flexible, changing with times. That's the key to Crown success, isn't it, sir?
Absolutely. There is no easy formula for a business in our industry. We are doing so well as compared to our competitors. The only reason is because we look at the situation and then evolve solutions which are nowhere in the books.
So that's the key, and I totally agree. And this is something that's a key learning point for all of us future managers here. So the final question to you, sir, is what would be your message to the budding managers of the Vinod Gupta School of Management?
Well, first of all, you're all blessed to be graduating out of such a reputed school. I wish I was a student. Now I'll have to look for another generation, or maybe I'll have to get my children to come here and be a student so that I can fulfill my ambition of graduating out of this school. The other message is India has got one of the best talented options to express yourself. I don't think people need to go out. You can earn as much as you want in this country, provided you are able to have that mindset. In the past, we had to go abroad to take experience. Today, you see the expatriates are coming to India to take experience. So cash in on the challenges ahead, opportunities. Next 20, 30 years belong to India, and you are best placed to capitalize on your capabilities and give your best. All the best to everyone.
And a footnote that deserves much mention is Sir has recently won an award from the CEO of the company for being one of the most high performing managers from amongst the 7 managers, if I'm not wrong, sir.
Well, let me correct it. In the last 53 years, there have been 8 managers who have got this award from the chairman.
Okay.
So I'm one of the 8.
One of the 8.
Yeah.
So that shows the kind of results that come when you work diligently and apply.
And you have a
strategic
team,
decisions.
and you have a team like this who can really give their best.
Exactly.
Because your dream can be realized only when you have a team like this. And this is part of the team, and I've got some great guys in Bombay and Bangalore and Delhi, all over. So they're all giving their best, and we create opportunities for them.
Okay, thank you so much, sir,
All the
for your
best.
time.
Thank you.
And we wish to see you more often, either in person or through video conferencing and other methods in the
Sure.
times to come. Thank you so
Welcome.
much for the
Welcome.
interaction.
All the best.
Thank you.